Hello, procrastinators, and welcome back. Thank you so much for joining us today. We are going to take a few minutes to kind of go over some projects that you can do with your Cricut, or the Cricut that you're thinking about buying, or the one that you hardly ever use. I'm going to go through some of the projects that I have done over the years. You can use them to make gifts. You can use them to help someone else. You can use them to start your own little small business. So we're going to go over some of those projects today. But before we do that, please like, subscribe, hit that bell. As always, thank you so much for watching. I know I've been a little inconsistent with my video making because life has been busy, but I want you to know I am here for you. So, like I said, we're going to get started with these projects. To see some of the things that you can do, please check that description box below. Now let's get started. We have Infusible ink with it, which is just sublimation. You can use this and buy sublimated products and or substrates, which is what they're called. You can buy those and do, like, this is a hand sanitizer thing. Here is a coaster for your car. So in just doing this, showing you really quick, and you would do this more with your heat press than what I'm about to do it with. I'm about to do it with the mini, but just to show you the process. So you just put that piece of infusible ink over top of your substrate, which is whatever product that you're using, and get that heat on there. And after you do that, then you will come out with a product like this hand sanitizer. They have lunch boxes. You can do it on shirts, but it gives you a cute little background. So as you can see there, so you can use the Cricut has some amazing things. So I'm not gonna keep talking. And just as another little tidbit, like, you can do these and then come back with vinyl and do like a monogram or something, put someone's name in it. So just cute little things that you can do. You can also make cute masks, and they have them in different sizes. To take the mask an even step further, you can add your logo or your logo to a shirt. If you have any Greeks in your life, you can make them on letters. You can add vinyl to lunch bags or any other type of gym bags or anything that you carry. Add vinyl to mason jars and make them cute tissue holders. The other things you can do with your Cricut is personalize just little craft things that you make. Like, I personalize this gnome. You can make all kinds of signs for your door or entryways. Just as an example, look at there. To go along with the door theme, you can always make a door hanger or wreath using vinyl. You can make wood bow ties. Ooh. Yep, that's 2 pieces of wood, y'all. Cute. You can add vinyl to wood ornaments and say something cute. So you can make these cute little cards for your jewelry or whatever your product is. You could do that. Add vinyl to a tumbler. Add a decal to these fun coasters. Add a product instructional card. You can use infusible ink to make shirts. Here we have more ornaments and jars. Umbrella decals. Whoa, so cute. Invitations as well as stickers can also be done with your Cricut. Of course, all of those wedding parties and events, you can do bags, and of course these signs, as well as glass signs, you can make the stencil for them. And for those who are graduating, you can have graduation caps. Don't forget about the print and cut. Here we have window clings as well as dish towels. You can customize them, as well as customize your phone pockets and your socks. And look at this. So cute, right? So this is just a runner and a few placemats that I have added vinyl to. Another one of my jars there. But just really cute, and just something that you can do to just dress up your table a little bit more, dress up your home a little bit more. Just really cute ways, again, so that you can use this Cricut. You can customize a curtain for one of your doors. You can also make jewelry, and that's earrings and necklaces. It will cut all of that leather. For Christmas, you or any birthday, an exploding box. You can again make signs of all kinds, whether that's wooden or not. You can do branding of your products. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell, and we'll see you all the next time.